What's up, everybody? So today we're going to plant. What's up, everybody? So today we're going to go disc our last field we have to disc before anhydrous gets put on. Get it done, and then tell the co-op that it's time to come put anhydrous on. I'm sure they're pretty booked up, so whenever they're done with all the other customers they have before us, and then it's a waiting game until they can come, and then whenever the neighbor gets done planting his crops, then he comes and plants ours. So after we disc this, it's just going to be pretty much waiting around till we can go in the fields again. So yeah, here we go. Let's go get the disc going. Alright, almost done with the outside rounds, and it's just going to be a lot of back and forth. Probably get out, do a little bit of GoPro video shots when I do the back and forth. Well, guys, I got out to set my GoPro up, and I was going to take a picture of the tractor. I looked back, and this rake tooth was in the tire. It was jammed in right here. Thankfully, it wasn't very far in, and it went through the thickest spot of tread. Got pretty lucky there, I think. I don't think it popped the tire. I don't feel any air coming out. So today we had a fresh one, just moved her up, didn't get any of that on video, but came up, pushed the feed up for the cows, make sure they have feed for them, and then probably going to put a little bit of straw in some of the huts. Got kind of crappy with all this rain we had this weekend. Still too wet to do anything really in the fields, maybe haul some manure, we'll see. But could get some stuff out of the shed as well, just because before we know it, we're going to be doing hay. It's really taken off here, and need to get that out of the shed. So Paul's coming today to look through the chopper, just look it over, see if we need to do anything to it, and then yeah, got to go over to another farm at like 1:30 and get a load of bales. What's up, guys? So we're out here getting these bales from that neighbor now. 20 bales. I already took 2 loads of 7, so 6 left. And we're using this Gehl here. Not a fan of Gehls really. It's a 5240 turbo. And it's a hand-controlled machine, and I'm used to the foot controls in our Bobcats, so it's weird to get used to, especially also with a foot throttle. Yeah, so it's odd, but I'm a good operator, so I get it pretty quick. But that first load, the first like 2 bales was starting to be like, man, this sucks, but we got her. So we're gonna put a little GoPro up and watch me struggle. Getting the hang of it, but this stick on my right controls the arms up and the bucket tilt, and then the one on the left is the drive, so it just takes some getting used to. But after that first couple bales, I was really getting the hang of it. I'd rather take the Bobcat with the foot controls over this any day. Just because I don't have to even think about it, what I have to do, so. Like with this, I gotta think a little bit. I'm sure if I got used to this over time, I would, but not today. Probably not ever, because we'll always probably have foot controls. And I'm a lot more jumpy feeling. And then also thinking about the foot throttle. I'll be like, oh, I don't have enough throttle. Oh yeah, because I'm not pushing my foot down hard enough. Sorry, Gehl. Up. See you later, Gehl. Towards the end of there, I'm getting skills. I could drive a Gehl all day if I had to, but I'd much rather not.